Hey there, and welcome back. Ever started a project, got halfway through, and totally lost track of what's left to do? Or maybe you're managing multiple projects and need a way to stay on top of everything in one place. Well, you're in luck. Because today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a simple but powerful project tracker in Excel, complete with checkboxes and automatic progress bars. Trust me, this trick will change the way you manage projects forever. So grab your Excel file and let's dive in. First, let's start by setting up the basic structure of our tracker. In column A, list all the projects you want to track. Across the top row, row 1, type out the different tasks or steps needed to complete each project. Once you've got your projects and tasks listed, you're ready for the fun part, adding checkboxes. This is where we add interactive checkboxes, so you can mark tasks as completed with a simple click. Select all the empty cells under your task columns. Go to the Insert tab and choose Checkbox. Boom. Now, whenever you complete a task, you can simply check it off. Okay, now for the magic part, building a visual progress bar that updates as you check off tasks. But wait, how do checkboxes work in Excel? Great question. Here's the cool part. When a checkbox is checked, the cell value becomes true. When it's unchecked, the cell value is false. This means we can use formulas to count the number of completed tasks and turn that into a progress bar. To make our progress bar work, we first need to count how many checkboxes have been checked. Click on the first cell in your progress column, then type this formula. Equals REPT, open parenthesis, double quotes, vertical bar symbol, double quotes, comma, count EF, open parenthesis, B2 to E2, comma, true, close parenthesis, times 5, close parenthesis. The REPT function repeats the vertical bar symbol multiple times to create a mini-bar chart. We multiply by 5 to scale the bar length. You can adjust this to make the bars longer or shorter. Pro tip: change the font to stencil or monospace for a sleek bar chart effect. You might notice that the bars don't always fill the whole cell when all tasks are checked. To fix that, simply adjust the scale factor in your formula. Try multiplying by 10, 15, or even 20 instead of 5, to stretch the bars as needed. Now, as you check off tasks, your progress bars update automatically. If all your projects have different numbers of tasks, the progress bars won't match up correctly. Instead, let's calculate the percentage of tasks completed and create a data bar in Excel. Click on your progress percentage column and enter this formula. Equals count if, open parenthesis, B2 to E2, comma, true, close parenthesis, divided by counter, open parenthesis, B2 to E2, close parenthesis. Count if, B2 to E2, true. Counts checked checkboxes. Count A, B2 to E2. Counts all non-empty cells, total tasks. Dividing the two gives us a percentage. Now let's make that percentage visually pop. Select your percentage column. Go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Data Bars. Choose a colour you like. Now your progress bars scale correctly, no matter how many tasks each project has. And that's it. You've built a fully functional project tracker. Now it's your turn. Pause the video, follow along in your own Excel file, and see how it works. Let me know in the comments. What kind of projects will you be tracking with this? I'd love to hear. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.